Hey guys, I have this BMW E60 model. I do have the brake light symbol up on the dashboard. This is the right side brake light. Now, in order to take this out, there is a little lever you just lift up here and right up here also. If you do those at the same time, then we could take it out. I already removed this one. This one was the bad light bulb. This is what it was. It It was broken. It was an old GE 1057LF. I searched all over. I couldn't find one. And I had this old light bulb. I guess I bought a two pack and I didn't use both. This says it's 7506L. I tried this out already. Well, the way you put it is you make sure these two pins line up with the two circles over here. So you put it in and then you move it clockwise. It's a little hard to do it one-handed. There we go, clockwise, and it's ready. When I press the brake, they do light up more, so I know we're good to go on that. I can use this type of light bulb here. Again, I had an old GE 1057 LF from Hungary. Couldn't find that anymore. Was able to use an old light bulb that I had previously. You line all the light bulbs back on into the little holes and just push. All right. And I didn't show you guys how I took this off the side panel, but basically you have to lift the bottom up. Sometimes there is a screw here that you just untighten and then you can just pull out. All right. Hope this helped someone. Thanks for watching.